Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thanks for clicking on today's video. So obviously today is a fall room decor video, DIY version. So I went to Michael's earlier today and I got these gorgeous like cotton ball florally sticks, and I cut them down because they were really long, but I just wanted to stick them in my Target vase that you guys saw that I got in my previous room decor video. And having a clear vase in your desk or your room is just really versatile because you can always switch out the decor pieces in there with whatever flower is in season. But the next DIY is going to be kind of the highlight of the DIYs. I loved this one so much. I got a cable knit sweater from Goodwill. I also got a pumpkin from Michael's for $3 or $4. They're currently doing 40% off all their fall decorations, so I would head over to Michael's to take a look. I just took the stem out of the pumpkin, but I'm covering up the sweater, trying to see what I wanted to do. I got inspired by this photo from Target, and I just didn't want to spend that much money on a piece that I felt like I could make. I actually had so much left over of this cable knit sweater, so that just shows how much you can do with like just a couple of dollars to create a lot of different items. I think I might do a part 2 fall decor video. If you want that, let me know in the comments down below. But obviously I'm just cutting down the cable knit, gluing them to the pumpkin in triangular ends, and then just be careful of your fingers because I did burn my index fingers a little bit while I was doing this because I wasn't super careful, so just be careful. But just take it slowly, and the width of the cable knit might not always fit the width of your pumpkin. If you have a bigger pumpkin with kind of like bigger, wider sections, then you probably want a larger cable knit as well, or you could even wrap two smaller cable knit sections onto one. But the end result honestly is so worth it. This took me about an hour, so not super long, really fun to do on a girls' night in, but the end piece that you see here, I just ended up cutting into a triangular motion as well. And I also thought this was another great DIY. You could even make a little banner with the cable knit sweater and just hang that as a garland over your door or outside of your door. And I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys the rest of the process. It's really easy. I just again took another cable knit sweater section, something a little bit different, and then I would just glue that down onto the opposite side. And I tried to pull the cable knit as wide as I could, but pulling it also kind of did not make it look as cute and as cozy, because I think thick cable knit looks really cute, so make sure you don't pull too tight. Now I wanted to show you, I had a section that obviously was too small, so I had to put another piece on top. It was super easy. I just cut it into almost like a diamond ovally shape just to cover up the little section that was a little naked. And then I just took the hot glue gun, glued it down, cut off the little excess. And then as you can see, the final result looks like this. If you have like a little bit of spots showing of the original pumpkin, don't worry about it. I'm going to show you how to cover that up. So I bought this yarn for about $1. It was on sale at Michael's, and twine is actually getting really expensive. So take a look at the on sale yarn section as well. I just got it in like a twine color, obviously, and I wrapped it into the crevices of where the pumpkin crevices would naturally be. So you just want to make sure that your twine is wrapped a couple of times to really show the dimension of the pumpkin and all the like crevices that would naturally just be there. I love the way this ended up turning out. I just tied a knot at the top, and then I found the hole for the stem and I pushed the stem back in to complete the DIY, and then I just cut off the ends that I tied, and then that was it. It was so easy to make, and so many of you guys loved how it turned out on my Instagram. If you aren't following me on Instagram, follow me at INMYSEAMS. You'll see all my DIYs and my outfits and all that good stuff. So now I'm just messing around with it. But yeah, I ended up giving this to my mom, and she loved the decor piece. So the next DIY is using microfilament. I think that's what it's called, but I wanted to do like this invisible, almost like leaves are falling moment on my backdrop in my videos. So I just took these like leaves that obviously they're fake, but they're from Michaels. You could take real ones too, just to save even more money. But I just hot glued that onto the string, tied a loop at the top, and then hung them from the pins. And this is what it ended up looking like. It looks so simple, really classy, very cute. You could even do different colors of leaves. You don't have to do the red and yellow, but I thought it added a nice pop of color to my room. And then the last DIY is a great one to do with kids. This is just a felt coaster, and I didn't know what I was going to do with these. Honestly, I thought I would just glue them onto a candle holder or something, but I ended up making a felt coaster because I didn't have any, and I definitely needed something to put underneath my hot drinks and teas for the fall and winter time. So I'm just gluing these little felt die cut pieces of pumpkin and leaves into a circle or triangle shape. They ended up becoming triangles because it was really hard to create a circular look, but I'm just showing you here with a little cup of water of what it would look like as a coaster, and I loved this DIY as well. But yeah, that is everything, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed to my channel already, subscribe right here, and here's another video to watch on my channel if you want to watch another one. But I will see you guys on my Wednesday's video. Bye!